Hey guys, this is Mr. H. Hey, this is question number 6 from the June 2023 Regents exam. Now, this is completing the square. So that's a process where you take half of the linear term and then square it. But we didn't cover that. But if it's in the multiple choice section, it doesn't matter. You can still graph. There's an equal sign here. You can still graph it and find the intersection. This part goes into F1 as a function. This part will go into F2 as a function. And then you're just going to find the intersection. So let's go. So let me grab the calculator. Remember, the rule is when you see a equal sign, that's your clue that you can graph. So I'm going to go menu 14, get rid of this. So now I'm going to take the left-hand side of the equation. It's going to be x squared minus 18x plus 77. Okay, I know it's going to be a quadratic. I'm going to pull the graph paper over so I can see more. And then you're just going to put 0 in. And that just basically means where does the graph cross the x-axis. So I'm just going to do menu 64. And boom, there it is. So here is the intersection. Now, I can find the other one, but I don't need to. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the answer choices and I'm going to look at those to see what they have for answers. So actually, I'm going to use this spreadsheet for this. So now I'm just going to take if we go back to my answer sheet, I'm going to take the first one and I'm going to find the intersection and I'm going to figure out if that matches. We got x equals 7 for one of the solutions. So let's see what we got for the other one. So I'm going to take half of it. So it's going to be parentheses x minus 9 squared. Press enter. And I'm going to pull that over. Now what I need to do is enter the other side of the equation. So the other side was 4. So I press enter. Now I'm going to find the intersection, menu 64. And so even though the coordinates are not identical, that doesn't matter. We're looking for the x value because that's what we're trying to solve for. So the x's are the same. So from there, I can go here and I know that that's going to be the answer. Now, if you really wanted to be certain, you could find the other intersection for this one and see if it matches. It's actually, I'm going to do that just to show you. So I'm going to do menu 64 again. Now I'm going to go find the other 0, and it says it's 11. Now I'm going to go back to the original one that I did, and I'm going to find that intersection as well, menu 64 again. And if I come over here, it should be 11, and it is. So you see that both of the intersections match. So I'm going to pull intersections. Now, again, it's just the x coordinates. You see, they're both 7 and 11. So I know that that's the answer. That's it. So I'm going to stop and post this.